back to me, Vasu. In today's video, let's do the unboxing of my last week orders. Most of the orders are from Shein and I'm so excited to see what I received. So without any delay, let's go into the video. These are the three orders from Shein. Third order for these boxes because I keep all my small earrings and all in it, so I ordered again. This ice cube tray. Next one is the jewelry box. This is really so cute and I loved it. I can use this for 1 or 2 day trips. If you don't need this, you can remove them. The next one is this butter tray. I wanted this is to see if I can place my butter, and I can cut this as well. This is a scrubber. I don't know how nicely it will clean my utensils, but still I would love to give a try. This is one of the best things I really love. Specifically purchased this because when I do French toast, it will be very useful and handy for me. Really very strong. This I ordered for my mixer and grinder and my blender, so that I wanted to have the wires hooked to it and not running all over my kitchen counter. So I'll try this. Something that I can use it near the kitchen wash basin or anywhere, so that the water will not spill all over, and then it is so flexible as well. These are reusable plastic covers, caps. So I have this cup, so let's try and see. This is definitely worth that I have expected from this. It's really good. If you're somebody like me who will always miss the earring backside, so you should definitely have this. And the next thing is this mini cleaning pen. I don't know how much I will clean, but I ordered this. Thanks. I can't wait until I open other things. So these are looking so good and pretty. Shoes. This is the first time that I have ordered some shoes from Shein. So let's see together. These are high knee boots. Looks pretty small for my feet, but not sure. I need to wear them and then I'll understand. And this is all the shopping for my last week. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu.